Hello everyone, myself Vaibhavi. Welcome to my channel Beginner to Developer. In the previous video, we have seen that what are the different relational operators that we will use in these languages. The link is given in the description below. Please watch it before this video. So today's session is about what are the different logical operators that we will use in C, C++, Java, Python as well as C# language. I have a programming example here. So this is a C program which demonstrates what is the use of logical operators in the program. So this is called as an AND operator. Usually these logical operators checks these two conditions, expressions, and if it returns some value, based on these values it will return the value. That means initially it checks whether the value of A is greater than B. Yes, the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 4. So A greater than B, it returns true, and C is not equal to D. Yes, the value of C is 10 and D is 20. See, the value of C and D are different. So C is not equal to D also returns true. So if both the values returns true, 1, 1, then this AND operator also returns 1. If it is given as C not equal to D, instead if it is given as C is equal to D, that means this condition is true, A greater than B, but C is equal to D. This condition returns false because C and D are not equal to each other. So in that case, it returns, the first condition returns true and the second condition returns false. Then this AND operator also returns false. If first condition is false, then if the second condition is true, then also the AND operator returns false. If the first condition is false, then the second condition is also false. Then also the AND operator returns false. That means whenever both the conditions are true, in that case only the AND operator returns true. If any one of the condition fails, then the AND operator returns false only. That is about this AND operator. Then this is an example for logical OR operator. Here it checks whether A greater than B. This condition is true. Then C equal to D. This condition is false. That means first condition returns the value as true and the second condition returns the value as 0. Then this OR operator returns the value as 1. If the first condition value is 0, then second condition returns true, then also the OR condition returns true only. Then in the third case, if the first condition is false, then if the second condition is also false, then only the OR condition will return the value as 0. Then if the first condition is true, then the second condition is also true, then the OR condition returns the value as 1. That means if any one of the condition is true, means in OR condition, if any one of the condition is true, then it returns the value as 1. That means true. If both the condition fails, then only it returns the value as 0. Then not A. That means it checks whether the value of A is 0 or not. Here the value of A is 10. Therefore, it will print it as A is not 0. Let's see the output. Okay, there is some, I have not taken this. Okay, now let's run and see the output. Yes, output is printed on the screen. See, A is greater than B, C equal to D. Here the second condition fails. Therefore, this printf message will not be printed on the screen. But else printf statement will be printed on the screen, because to satisfy this AND, both the conditions should be true. If any one of the condition fails, then it prints the else part. Then, so the else part is printed on the screen and condition is not satisfied. See, then second case, A is greater than B. Yes, the first condition is true. Therefore, even though the second condition is false, the first condition is printf statement is printed on the screen. That is, A is greater than B or C is equal to D. That means A is greater than B, that is the only one condition that is satisfied. So that message will be printed on the screen. Then not A. Here the value of A is 10. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, this message is printed on the screen. This is about what are the different logical operators that we will use in C, C++, Java, Python as well as C# language. Let's see about bitwise operators in the next video. Thank you all.